everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Trapti Parekh, legal intern at Laxis and Company from Jain Anand Vyas University, Jodhpur. First of all, this video does not solicit any kind of promotion or advertisement, or the sole purpose of this video is educational purpose only. In this video, I will talk about legal news. The Supreme Court gives the direction in migrant case that fundamental right to life under Article 21 includes right to food and other basic necessities. The right to life as guaranteed by Article 21 of the Constitution gives right to every human being to live a life of dignity with access to at least bare necessity of life. The fundamental right to life in Article 21 of the Constitution may be interpreted to include right to live with human dignity, which may also include the right to food and other basic necessities. The Supreme Court observed in the judgment and directing all the states to implement the One Nation, One Ration Card scheme and to run community kitchen for migrants. The bench comprising Justice Ashok Bhushan and Amar Shah observed that it is bounden duty of all the state and government to provide food security to impoverished persons. The judgment was passed in a suo motu case which was taken by the Supreme Court in May 2020 to deal with the problem of migrant workers. The court observed that our constitution enjoys that the constitution observed that our constitution enjoyed that the ownership and control of the material resources of the community are for promoting welfare of the people by securing social and economic justice to the weaker section so as to serve the common good, to minimize inequality in income and endeavour to eliminate inequality in status. The right to life as a guaranteed by Article 21 of the Constitution given right to every human being to live a life with a dignity with access at least bare necessities of life, to provide food security to impoverished person is to bounden state of all the state and governments. The court taking note of the fact that the Constitution of India does not having an explicit provision regarding the right to food. In this order, the court directed the central government, Department of Food and Public Distribution, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution to allocate and distribute food grains as per the demand of additional food grains from the state for disbursement of dry fruit grains to migrant labourers. The court also directed the state to bring in the place an appropriate scheme for distribution of the dry ration to the migrant labourers, for which it shall be open for the state to ask for the allocation of the additional food grain from the central government, which as directed and shall provide the additional food grain to the state. The court disposed of the suo motu case by issuing following direction. The first is, it is directed that central government to develop the portal in the consultation with National Information Center for registration of unorganized labor migrant workers. They also impress upon and direct that the central government as well as the respective states and the union territories to complete the process of complete portal for registration under National Database for Unorganized Worker project, as well as implement the same, which shall be means by comments and not later. The central government may undertake exercise under Section 9 of the National Food Security Act 2013 to redetermine the total number of persons to be covered under the rural and urban areas of the state. Direct all the state and union territories to register all the establishment, ensure that the statutory duty imposed on the contractor migrant worker is fully compliant with. The state or union territories are directed to run community kitchen and prominent place where large number of migrant laborers are found for the feeding those migrant laborers who does not have sufficient means to procure a meal a day. The running of the community kitchen should be continued at least till the pandemic COVID-19 continues. So here is the legal news. I hope you liked my video. Please like, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.